Salam everyone, welcome to Mama Loop YouTube channel. Today we are making sugar-free low-carb cheese fluff. Let's make it. For the cream cheese fluff we need blend 24 ounce softened cream cheese until fluffy. Add 2 0.3 ounce packets of sugar-free JEEL-O of your choice to half cup hot water. Stir in boiling water and mix until dissolved. Add half cup ice water. Stir and mix well. Pour in the cream cheese and blend until well combined. Now transfer to a dish, refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. Enjoy with your favorite berries.